Adding 42 to a given positive number gives the same result as squaring the number, find the number. So let's see how we are going to interpret this and then solve the question. Solution. So adding 42 to a given positive number. We don't know the number. So let's add the number be, let the number be x. Now, adding 42 to the number, we are going to have x plus 42. Then gives the same result as squaring the number. So the number, so it gives the same result as squaring the number. We are going to have x squared. So now we have to find so this is the interpretation of the word problem. So let's see how we are going to simplify this or solve this. So now we try to transpose, move all this to this side. Then everything will be equated to 0. So if this moves to this side, we are going to, or we can move it to the other side. So this moving to this side is going to be x squared minus x minus 42. Then everything is equal to 0. So now let's reorder it. We have x squared minus x minus 42 equals 0. So if you look at this question now, we have a quadratic equation. And to solve this, now what is the product? Now factors of 42 that when we add them, we are going to have a negative 1 here. So now for 42, we can use 7 and 6. 7 times 6, that's 42. So if we say minus 7 plus 6 is going to give us minus 42. And if you say minus 7 plus 6, that will give us minus 1, which is minus x here. So now we can use this now. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 6x minus 42. Everything equals what? 0. I hope you are getting it. Now, let's now factorize. So we have this, x is common. So x in this, we have x. Then in this also we have minus 7. Then what is common here? 6. 6 is common. So we have plus 6 into, then dividing this by 6, we have x. Then minus 42 divided by 6. So we are going to have minus 7. Everything equals 0. Now, from here, we can see this is common. So we have x plus 6, then x minus 7 equals 0. Now, this now, we equate it to 0. We also equate this to 0. So here we are going to have x plus 6 equals 0, or x minus 7 equals 0. Now for this one, we are going to have x is equals to minus 6, or x is equals to positive 7. And if you look at the options we are given, so we have a positive value of what? X, not negative. So the answer is what? 7. So the number that is what? Added to 42 is 7. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you in the next video.